Hi everybody and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to embed ChatGPT on a website. To start, open wordpress.com in your internet browser. On the left corner, you will need to scroll down, then head on over to plugins. Once you are now on plugins, open platform.openai.com in another internet browser. Then select your profile on the upper right. Then in here, go to your API keys and select the plus sign. In here, you will need to copy the API key generated. Once done, select OK. Now go back to your WordPress.com website. Go back to plugins once again. Once you are now in plugins, in here you will be using the search bar. Then you are going to be searching for GPT-3. Scroll down this time and then you will see a lot of answers. But for this time, we are choosing the first one that says AI Content Creator. Wait for the website to finish loading this time. In here, select Upgrade and Activate. However, you will need to upgrade your plan to install plugins over at WordPress.com. This is only an overview and an example of the step-by-step process. All you have to do this time is to input your following subscription upgrade. Once you're done with the payments, there shall be an option to enter API key in GPT-3. Enter the link that we have copied. And in that way, ChatGPT-3 will be embedded into your website. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.